Hello, everyone. Welcome to Let's Giggle and Learn. My name is Peach. Today we will talk about common mistakes English beginners make. Don't worry, making mistakes is okay. We all learn step by step. One mistake is wrong word order. For example, some students say, I very like pizza. This is not correct. We should say, I like pizza very much. In English, the word order is important. Another mistake is forgetting the S in the third person. For example, we must say, he plays football, not he play football. We add S when we talk about he, she, or it. Many beginners also mix up words like your and your. Your means something you have, like your bag is nice. Your means you are, like you're happy today. Some people say double negatives like, I don't know nothing. This is not correct. We should say, I don't know anything. Another mistake is translating from your language. Sometimes your language and English are different. It is better to think in English, even if it is hard at first. Last, many people are afraid to speak. Don't worry about being perfect, just try. Mistakes help you learn. Speak, listen, read, and write a little every day. That's all for today. Thank you for listening to Let's Giggle and Learn with Peach. Remember, mistakes are normal. Keep learning and have fun. See you next time.